Forget elegance, forget history. We are here for the fight. In the automotive world, true validation isn't given, it's taken. It's measured in tenths of a second, in downforce generated, and in the sheer, undeniable presence of aggression. Welcome back. Today, we look at the collection I call brutal performance and validation of power. These 4 miniatures are icons of the aftermarket and the racetrack, each representing a relentless pursuit of technical dominance. They prove that status comes not from pedigree alone, but from the brutal effort to be the absolute best. This is where engineering meets ego, and the results are spectacular. We start with the statement piece. The Mini GT Lamborghini Aventador GT Evo LBWK. This isn't just a Lamborghini, it's a Liberty Walk car. In the global automotive scene, this modification package is the very definition of I dare you to ignore me. Liberty Walk, founded by Wataru Kato, is a global phenomenon. It takes the established elegance of a supercar and throws a wide-body riveted party on top. Why? Because the raw factory-level power isn't enough. The owner is demanding not just validation, but unquestioned dominance. This diecast reflects a powerful global trend, the need to customize and differentiate oneself in a mass-market world. When everyone can buy success, you have to build identity. The LBWK brand is validation through audacious self-expression. It's the miniature reflection of global aspiration, proving that even hypercars can be pushed further, louder, and greener. Now we shift from ego to pure engineering challenge. The Mini GT Honda Civic Type R HKS Time Attack. This car's validation isn't measured by price tag, it's measured by the clock. Time attack racing is perhaps the most brutal form of motorsport. It's a battle against physics and time itself. HKS, a legend in Japanese tuning, took the already excellent Civic Type R and turned it into a scalpel designed for one perfect lap. This diecast represents the global obsession with efficiency and optimization. In the real world, engineers and scientists are constantly battling to squeeze maximum output from limited resources, be it battery range, fuel efficiency, or data processing power. This HKS machine is the automotive equivalent, taking a mass-produced platform and pushing its potential to the absolute technical limit. It's validation through cold, hard data. Proof that every component has been maximized for one single goal: fastest time possible. From time attack, we enter the realm of legendary notoriety. The Mini GT Top Secret Nissan Skyline GT R34. Top Secret, led by the infamous Smokey Nagata, isn't just a tuner shop. It's a statement about pushing legal and technical boundaries. The Top Secret validation is speed achieved on their own terms. Nagata's GTRs were the apex predators of the 1990s and 2000s tuning world, often modified to exceed speeds that were, frankly, insane. The race for technological supremacy. This miniature reflects the global and often unseen race for technical supremacy, whether it's in military technology, chip manufacturing, or speed records. It represents a subculture that quietly develops extreme capabilities far outside the official mainstream. The gold of Top Secret is the color of illegal, expensive, and ultimately undeniable success. It's the anti-establishment symbol of power. You don't get this level of performance cheaply. It signifies both massive financial investment and unparalleled technical skill. It is the definitive "don't mess with me" car in diecast form. Finally, we look at the quiet assassin, the Tomica Honda NSX R. Unlike the other cars, the validation here is subtle and rooted in deep automotive knowledge. The NSX R is the lightest, most focused version of Honda's original supercar, built without compromise. This specific NSX R diecast, often a Toys R Us exclusive, is an added layer of collector validation. It speaks to the owner's commitment to hunting down the best versions of the best cars. In a world saturated with digital interfaces, heavy vehicles, and complexity, the NSX R represents the global counter-trend of purity, driver focus, and lightweight design. It reminds us that often, removing complexity, removing weight, is the highest form of engineering. It's validation that comes not from adding external drama, like the LBWK, but from achieving perfection from within. This diecast collection is incomplete without this NSX R, confirming that the collector understands both the flash of tuning and the understated genius of factory performance. These four cars prove that the pursuit of power is a global, relentless, and deeply personal drive. Whether it's the visual roar of the LBWK Aventador, the statistical dominance of the HKS Time Attack, the legendary notoriety of the top-secret R34, or the engineering purity of the NSX R, each one is a tiny monument to man's desire to push the limit, and most importantly, never be underestimated. Which form of power validation speaks most to you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you appreciate the deep dive into the philosophy of performance, hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.
Tapi ku tetap berdiri, tak peduli sejauh mana ku melangkah. Mimpi ini ku genggam.